Let's say you want to heat up your food on the engine. Where can you put it? Well, the radiator gets warm, but this one's plastic, so it's not very good. The engine itself gets pretty hot. But the hottest part of the engine is actually on the exhaust manifold. Now this truck has a very large engine, so the exhaust manifold is not easily accessible. But on this side, if you remove the air intake, you can see that right here is the perfect spot. So what you do, you use your lunch container, which is what I do, and then you want to lay it in here while the engine is running. Now when you're driving, that doesn't work. So what I've done, I actually built a bracket that allows me to do that. The other option is to wrap your food with aluminum foil, unless you're like me and you're afraid of aluminum. And you just put the food right here in this pocket. This thing gets plenty hot. I've been driving it, it's quite warm. You put your food right in this little area right here. And in about 20 minutes of driving, it'll be delicious. You can cook ribs in there. You can cook, stew, whatever you want, right in here. And you'll probably notice there's a few little bits of food that have run over here. Plus I may have a few dead roaches because it does bring bugs. But this is a great place to heat up your food. There are other places, you could put it on the muffler, but that's not really practical. If you hit a bump, it could come loose. If you're having trouble with your food falling off, this has a space right through here where you could run a wire. There's actually a drainage hole. You could wrap this with wire and your food would heat up nicely.